This is how you edit a Bluebook citation of a book. You can tell that this is a citation of a book because there are authors and a title, so Rule 15 applies. Citations of periodical sources also have an author and a title, but a periodical is not being cited here because there's no journal name after the title and before the pin cite. The parenthetical includes an abbreviation for 6th edition, which appears for some book citations but not for periodicals. Rule 15.1 states that the author names should be in large and small capitals, so the formatting should be fixed here. Rule 15.1a states that when there are two authors, their names should be separated by an ampersand symbol, so the and should be replaced with an ampersand. Also, for both author names, the first name should be ordered before the last name, so Smith and Gabe should be swapped here. Rule 15.3 states that the title should be in large and small capitals, so the formatting here is correct. Rule 15 indicates that the pin cite for a book citation follows the title of the book without a comma in between, so this comma should be removed. Note that Bluebook citations for other types of sources, such as periodicals and cases, typically include a comma before the pin cite. Rule 15.4a2 states that the edition and publication year should be included in a parenthetical, but there should not be a comma between the edition and year, so the comma here should be removed. Note that under Rule 15.2a, editor and edition are both abbreviated as ED period, but a comma is included after the ED period when it is an abbreviation for editor instead of edition. We have now finished editing this citation of a book.